It has been a rough week here in the Heartland.
Don't start coughing. It's like somebody starts coughing, then the rest of us start coughing. Why don't you start on your hind? Start on your hind.
Hey, you ain't got a nickname yet, do you?
I do. It's Etsy. This is why. This hat is why.
Oh, Etsy.
Yeah, Chris was like, "You paid for that?" And I said, "Yeah, I got it from Etsy. It's handmade." He looked at me like I was nuts.
I thought Etsy was a person.
This is Daniel's last final of the week. Go Dan. How's it going, Lily? Daniel, I want to shoot something other than your butt. Congrats, man. How's that feel?
Exciting.
Great. Weight off your shoulders, huh?
Yeah, I can breathe.
I just started dipping.
I thought you had it.
You know,
Trucker hat, lip cocked, a whole thing. You're just missing a cigarette behind your ear, man.
this is what happened 6 weeks in Missouri.
I don't know why it's weird to me, but Chuck E. Cheese's full name is Charles Entertainment Cheese.
That's Heartland Horseshoeing School barrel racing right there. Kelly, we left somebody.
That's it. The door closes. The van leaves. Where were you, Lily?
I was in there for like a minute. I didn't even.
Back.
You're back. You gonna do that app horse for your first one back to back in? Happy Monday, man.
Is it really happy?
Life, all the teachers, mom, dad, and everything. I always said, you know, son, you can be whatever you want to be when you grow up. You can be whatever you want to be. And I said, okay. Then I realized they're just lying to me, because how are you going to be a full-blooded Indian?
How do I chase that dream?
See?
Hey, I haven't got you getting jerked around in the last couple of weeks. You're good?
You missed that horse, Brandon.
All right, are we ready? Everybody, is this our choir club? 1, 2, 3. Hunter. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Just a small town girl living in a lonely world.
Yes, beautiful. All right, really big, really big.
He's seen her in a smoking room, searching in the night.
That's it. All right, good job, people. Good job. Beautiful. Beautiful. High fives. High fives all around. Good choir club practice this week, guys. Welcome back to Lauren Explaining Blonde Jokes with Lauren and Boss with our live studio audience. Everybody clap. Woo! All right, and happy birthday, Lauren.
So a blonde female driver got pulled over by a blonde female cop. So the blonde female driver sitting in her car, and the cop knocks on the window, and the blonde driver rolls the window down, says, "May I help you?" The blonde female cop says, "Yes, ma'am, I need to see your driver's license." So the blonde driver starts looking through her purse. She says, "What's it look like?" And the blonde cop says, "Well, ma'am, it'll have your picture on it." So she finds her compact, she hands it to the cop. The cop took one look and said, "Ma'am, if you'd have told me you were a police officer, we could have saved a lot of time."
What's compact?
Just explain it.
Saw herself in the mirror.
Oh.
Hey, big clap. Yay. Thanks for playing, Lauren, and we'll see you next week.
She's just going to get some information to find out whether or not if you need to see a doctor. This is not saying to see a doctor, this is finding out whether you need it.
Y'all want me to go first?
A lot of psychologists.
I declared war on the mice in my car. They got into my candy stash. And they ate my lifesavers. And that's it. They signed their death warrant.
Morning, Susie.
Good morning.
How's it going?
It's good. This is going to be my final mule.
Kelly said, "Hold this mule." I do what I'm told. Don't have to understand it. Just have to do it.
You're just how long you been sitting back here now?
Probably like 15 minutes.
He don't want none. See?
Ooh.
He don't want none.
This is your guys' redemption from the mule right now.
Yep.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Look at that. If you win, we're going to the Gray Foot. Should we do the semifinals?
We have our 2019 GE Match Play Heartland Horseshoeing School Championships, everybody. Yes, and the winners will receive the GE Match Play World Championship presented by Elsa, our lovely trophy. Beautiful, beautiful showcase the trophy. Coming in is Cody, ruining my shot. Hailing from the east, we have Kyle the Man-Bun. He's fresh out of jail. He's lean, mean, chewing machine. Jan the Man. And you're undefeated, undisputed, little engine that could. Ringman, ding the bell. All right, let's get it on.
All right, we're ready for this match? Okay, we discussed the rules. Everybody knows what they're doing. All right, you call tails. You get to pick gamble. All right, you get the second choice. That'll work? Yeah. All right. So, you guys want to shake hands? Okay.
Right, ready, Carson?
You're missing that inside heel. It would be kind of nailable. It's whenever you get a foot this small, you definitely don't want to be coarse. We're pretty good around the toe, but those heels, they hook terribly hard. Oh yeah. I don't think that's going to be really hard to judge right there, is it?
Nice.
So all the points are covered. So Man-Bun, congratulations.
Man-Bun!
Good job. What we have here, we have the Gypsy Rose Sea Turtle, who has yet to be beaten, has won the entire winner's group. We have the top loser. And so as challenger, I'll let you call it.
Tails.
Tails. Which animal would you like? All right.
Oh, wow.
All right, so we want another clean match. You guys got anything to say?
And we're gonna go to the box tonight with Chris and Cody Gregory to announce this evening's matchup.
We've got a really good two competitors here. One's been through the loser's bracket. One has not lost at all.
Undefeated.
Dun dun dun.
Oh, I can't tell them right here.
My javelin.
It's tight, all coming down to the wire here, folks. For this evening's matchup, will it be Kyle the Man-Bun Heller or Lily the Warrior Gypsy Soul? Kyle, how did you feel
It's
about
those
it?
heel quarters that kill everybody. Those heel quarters is where this one's actually getting it. But I sure do not like those nails. I mean, this is, if you were judging shoes, this shoe would win. If you're judging fit, this shoe's win. And this is a fit deal. You in agreement?
Absolutely.
All right, who's this? Is this Lily?
I don't know. That's Lily.
That's Lily? Lily!
Oh!
Hey, nice job. Nice job.